Hello my dear students. We have completed the prime numbers or odd numbers, even numbers and also the composite numbers. And also we familiar with the numbers between we familiar with the prime numbers between 1 and 100. So now we are going to an important section, that is we are going to check the divisibility of numbers. Okay, that is here we are going to revise the question. I think you already discussed this topic in your previous classes. Okay, so the divisibility test by the following numbers. That means if we have a given a number, we need to find this number can divide with which number. How? Okay, so first we are going to check the divisibility of 2. Okay, divisibility of 2. So what are the numbers? What are the numbers that can divided by 2? So first one, divisible by 2. The numbers which can divisible by 2. Okay, so it is very simple. Even numbers can divided by 2. Even numbers can divided by 2. So we know what are even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers which have the digits in ones place. That digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these digits are in ones place, they are even numbers. So all even numbers can divided by 2. So the first rule is when a given number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so divisibility of 2 is that. Okay, now divisible by 3. The numbers we can divide by 3. Okay. So we know that the multiples of 3 we can divide by 3. If we have given a large number, example, I am going to give an example, 6582. Is this number can divided by 3? So we need to find this number can divided by 3. For that we have to add the given digits. Okay, 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2. So the sum of the given digits is 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 6 is 21. So here we have the sum 21. The sum is a multiple of 3, isn't it? Also 21 can divided by 3. So we can say that if we have a number and the sum of the digits of a given number can divided by 3, so that number can also divided by 3. That is, when the sum of the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So here we have the number 6582. Okay, so the sum of the digits is 21. So 21 can divided by 3. So this number can also divided by 3. This is the second rule. And third one, divisible by 4. Divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 4. Okay. Okay, so divisibility of 4. It is also I am going to explain through an example. So here we have a number 1072. For checking the divisibility of 4, we need to consider these two digits, that is the digits in the tens place and also digit in the ones place. If we can divide this number, by 4, then we can divide the whole number 1072 can also divided by 4. Okay, so we need to check in a given number the digits in tens place and also in ones place, it forms a number, isn't it? Here we have the number 72. If this number can divided by 4, then the whole number can also divided by 4. That is, the third rule is, if the number formed by the digits, in the tens and ones places of a given number is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Okay, so here 1072, isn't it? So here we have the number 72 in the tens place and ones place, if we consider these two digits. So 72 can divided by 4, isn't it? Yes, 72 is divided by 4, so 1072 is also can divided by 4. Let us consider another example. Look at here, it's a large number. So here we have the number 80 in the last two digits. Okay, so 80 is a multiple of 4 and also 80 can divided by 4. So this whole number can divided by 4. This is the divisibility of 4. Okay students. Now next is divisibility of 5. It is very simple. Divisible by 5. That means we are going to check the divisibility of 5. That is the numbers. What are the numbers that can divided by 5? It is very simple. If we have a number, in that number, in ones place, digits 0 and 5. If we have a number, in that number, in ones place, there is digits 0 and 5, then we can divide that number with 5. It is very simple. Examples: 200 can divided by 5. 305, isn't it? So in ones place, the digit 0 or 5, we can divide that number with 5. Okay, so these are the divisibility of 2, 3, 4 and 5.